Viewer, as you can see in the front, my chicken are eating grain of all the chicken I like the most. This chicken is my pet chicken. I take very care of it. It is very cute chicken. If you if people are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. To then you will get viewer the next video. Wow, you can see viewers, you can see. I see you closely. Just wait for a few seconds. Wow, I keep uploading daily bird videos on this channel. Viewer, please subscribe to the channel and like the video for more like videos. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.